Did you know there's a miracle tree that could supercharge your health, and it might be growing right in your backyard? It's Malunggay, also known as Moringa, and its benefits are absolutely incredible. Let's dive into 5 powerful reasons why you should add this green powerhouse to your diet. First, it's a nutritional superstar, packed with more vitamin C than oranges and more potassium than bananas. Think of it as nature's own multivitamin. Second, it's loaded with antioxidants. These compounds fight off nasty free radicals in your body, helping to protect your cells from damage. Third, it can help lower blood sugar levels. Studies suggest moringa may have a positive effect on blood sugar, which is fantastic news for many. Fourth, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, and Malunggay can help soothe that internal fire. And fifth, it can protect your liver. Your liver is your body's detoxifier, and moringa helps it function at its best. Amazing, right? If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this with someone who needs to know about the miracle tree. Thanks for watching.